Okay, let's learn to play Lake of Fire as they played it on Nirvana's Unplugged with the Meat Pupppets. Really fun track to play, got some power chords, got some open chords, got some nice little riffy bit, and got a really cool guitar solo at the end. So let's have a look. I've got my guitar in E flat standard tuning, like they did on the Unplugged recording. You can play it in standard tuning and it will sound fine. I do like to play it in E flat, especially if I want to sing along, suits my voice a bit better. So bear in mind that I'm in E flat standard tuning, and the first chord that you need to play is the G5 power chord, so that's on the 3rd fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, that's your power chord shape. 6th string, 5th string, 4th string, that's your G5. Then you move to the F5, exactly the same shape, power chord. And then you just hop down to the A sharp 5 power chord, so move that shape, everything down one string. And that's your A sharp 5. When I play it, I tend to, I usually play like use my little finger to bar those 2 notes there. I just find that easier most of the time. With a 5th string power chord, I tend to do that. Not always, but often. But you can play that either way, or play it that way. So it's, and then back to the G5, and then you go down to the C5, same shape, C5 to the A sharp 5 power chord. So we've got G5, F5, A sharp 5, and then G5, C5, A sharp 5. That's the first section. And then it's G5, F5, A sharp 5. Then you go to the C5, then F5, and then ends the opening phrase on the G5. So from the beginning, G5, F5, A sharp 5, G5, C5, A sharp 5, and then G5, F5, A sharp 5, then C5, F5, G5. Whole bunch of power chords there for that nice riff. Next part is G5. Strumming changes slightly on this section, so it's more of a sort of feel. G5, F5, A sharp 5, and then G5. So it's then throw in this nice little fill where on the third string and the second string, like a D shape, but you don't need the bottom string. You just need the second and the third strings. On the third string, you slide from somewhere around here. Slide up to the 10th fret on the third string, and have your ring finger ready on the second string, 11th fret, and then just do a bit of alternated picking between the two strings. End by catching that second string, 11th fret. Then you move that shape down to the 5th fret. So you got the 5th fret on the third string and the 6th fret on the second string, same shape. And then you move it up from there 2 frets. So you've got third string, 7th fret, and second string on the 8th fret. Do that twice. And then we get to the some open chords in the next section, which is kind of the chorus, I suppose. So we'll go. D minor is the 4th string open, the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, and the 1st string on the 1st fret. That's your lovely D minor chord. Your A sharp or A sharp 5. You can play the full chord there, but it doesn't really matter too much as long as you get that A sharp chord in there. D minor, A sharp, and that is 5th string, 1st fret. 4th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and if you catch that note as well, that's the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That's like a fuller A sharp chord, bar chord. I knew a lady came from dog. That's D minor again. Then it goes to A, rabbit tooth. That's just your standard A chord. You can play it like that, or like that. Back to D minor. She went to a grave just a little too soon. A sharp. And then to C. Flew away howling on a yellow moon, and then back to D minor. Hopefully you know how to play a C. 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string open, and 2nd string, 1st fret. That's your C chord. Bottom string can be open, but in a C chord. Quite often I don't even have the bottom string ringing. And a lady came from the blue, bit by a dog with a rabbit tooth, went to a grave just a little too soon, flew end that section, you can play this little riff around the D minor chord where he goes. All that is lifting your your index finger off of the bottom, not lifting your bottom, lifting your index finger off the bottom string, and then hammering on back onto the first fret where it was. And then play the second string, and then the third string, just with the same D minor shape. And then you can get back into the and yeah, that's the main sections of the song. And then we've got a really nice guitar solo. Okay, so for the guitar solo, you want to start on the second string at the second fret, and you want to slide up to the third fret, and then play the first string and the third fret, and then play the second string and the third fret. So you create a little bar with your index finger and go. Then you reach up to the 6th fret on the second string. Bend that string. And then play the 3rd fret on the first string. And then do this nice little rundown, which starts on the 6th fret of the second string. Here, then the 5th fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 3rd string, 5th fret on the 4th string, 3rd on the 4th string, so it's and then onto the 5th string, it's the 5th fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret, so and then on the 6th string you use your little finger there on the 6th fret and then 3rd fret, so back up the same notes. So it's 3rd fret, 6th fret on the 6th string, and then 3rd, 4th, 5th on the 5th string, and then on the 4th string, 3rd to 5th, use your index finger here as a bar on the 2nd and 3rd strings. Do a little bend. And then finish that little section on the 5th fret of the 4th string. Then you do this little slide with a bit of vibrato. 3rd string sliding up to the 7th fret, and then have your index finger ready to play the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Then go back to the starting position of the whole solo, and you need to play this section, which is so it's sliding from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then playing the 1st string on the 3rd fret. That's 3rd fret to 6th fret on the 2nd string. So it's 3rd fret to 6th fret on the 2nd string, and then on the 5th fret on the 3rd string, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Then on the 3rd string, 3rd fret to 5th fret. And then that's on the 4th string, 3rd to 5th fret. And then that little section. It's a bend whilst fretting the 3rd fret of the 2nd and 3rd string, similar to what we did before. Then it's the 5th fret on the 4th string, and then 3rd fret on the 4th string, and then hammer back onto the 5th fret of the 4th string. And then the last section is, we're getting there. So it's the 2nd and 3rd fret on the, it's the 3rd fret on the 2nd and 3rd string, slight bend again. That's the 5th fret of the 4th string. Then this rundown, which is 5 to 3 on the 4th, 5, 4, 3 on the 5th, and then 6 to 3 on the 6th. Then back up the same sort of run. So it's 3, 6 on the 6th string, then 3, 4, 5 on the 5th string, and then the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Play it, and then do the hammer on from 3rd to 5th. And then 3rd fret on the 5th string, 6th fret on the 6th string, and then ending on the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Really good guitar solo. Bit of a tricky one to explain, but I hope it helps, and hope that makes sense. And good luck learning a really cool song. See you soon.